Have you ever looked at a piece of clothing and wondered what it could become with just a little creativity? In today's video, I'm sharing 50+ inspiring upcycle clothing ideas that prove fashion doesn't have to be expensive to be beautiful. You'll see incredible transformations that turn ordinary garments into stylish, unique pieces full of personality and charm. Whether your style is classic, modern, boho, rustic, or somewhere in between, these ideas are sure to spark your imagination and get you excited about your next sewing project. Every design is packed with creative details that show just how much potential can be hidden inside clothing you may have overlooked. As you watch, pay attention to the little touches that make each transformation special, because sometimes the smallest ideas create the biggest impact. If one of these projects catches your eye, be sure to visit the Pinterest board linked in the description, where you can explore each featured idea more closely. And depending on the original source, you may find tutorials, patterns, or additional information to help you create a similar look. Be sure to watch all the way to the end, because your favorite transformation might be one you haven't seen yet. As you're watching, let me know in the comments which upcycled clothing idea inspired you the most. Once we reach 100 votes, I may recreate the winning design in a future sewing tutorial here on the channel. If you love sewing inspiration, creative fashion ideas, and clothing transformations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into these amazing upcycled clothing ideas. One of the most exciting things about upcycling clothing is that it encourages you to see fashion in a completely different way. Instead of focusing on what a garment is today, you begin thinking about what it could become tomorrow. A simple piece of clothing can inspire countless creative possibilities, and that's what makes upcycling such a rewarding part of the sewing journey. As you've been watching today's collection of ideas, you've probably noticed that every transformation has its own personality. Some projects feel elegant and sophisticated, while others are playful, artistic, or completely unexpected. That's the beauty of creative sewing. There are no strict rules that say a garment has to stay exactly the way it started. Every stitch, every adjustment, and every creative detail gives you an opportunity to make something that reflects your own style and imagination. One of the reasons so many people enjoy upcycling is because it allows them to experiment with fashion in a way that feels personal and meaningful. Rather than searching for the perfect item in a store, you have the chance to create something that's uniquely yours. Even small changes can have a dramatic impact on the finished result. A different silhouette, decorative accents, creative fabric combinations, or thoughtful design details can completely transform the look and feel of a garment. Another wonderful benefit of upcycling is that it encourages creative problem solving. Every project presents an opportunity to think outside the box and discover new possibilities. Sometimes the best ideas come from looking at a piece in a completely unexpected way. The more you sew and create, the more you'll find yourself noticing design opportunities everywhere. Before long, garments that once seemed ordinary begin to look like exciting future projects waiting to happen. That's one of the reasons so many sewists become passionate about upcycling. Every garment you transform teaches you something new, whether it's learning a different sewing technique, discovering a creative design solution, or simply realizing how much your skills have grown over time. That's one of the most rewarding parts of sewing. Every completed project becomes another step toward developing your own unique style and gaining the confidence to try even bigger ideas in the future. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fabrics, trims, textures, and embellishments to create clothing that truly reflects your personality. Some of the most memorable designs are created by combining several ideas into one original piece. As your creativity grows, you'll begin looking at clothing in a completely different way, noticing details and possibilities that you may have overlooked before. That's when sewing becomes more than just making clothes. It becomes a creative outlet that allows you to express yourself while continuously learning new skills. Whether you're giving new life to an old favorite or transforming a forgotten garment into something fresh and exciting, every project is an opportunity to create something meaningful with your own hands. I hope today's collection has inspired you to start your next upcycling adventure and encouraged you to see the creative potential that's waiting inside your own closet. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more sewing inspiration, creative DIY fashion ideas, clothing transformations, and upcycling projects. You'll also find sewing tutorial videos linked in the description to help you build your skills, along with related playlists filled with even more creative sewing ideas, fashion inspiration, and clothing makeover projects. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. There is a video on the screen to watch next, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. I'll see you there.